The United States military spends $715 billion a year on defense. They have access to the most advanced equipment on Earth. But here's what most people don't know. Some of the most critical survival items in a soldier's kit cost less than $5. And you can buy every single one of them at Walmart, right now, today. These are not luxury items. These are the 11 products that have been field tested in Iraq, Afghanistan, and disaster zones around the world. The military buys them in bulk because they work. Most people walk right past them without a second thought. After this video, you won't. 1. Super glue. $1.47. Super glue is powerful. The United States military has used cyanoacrylate, the active ingredient in superglue, to close wounds on the battlefield since the Vietnam War. When medics could not get stitches to a soldier fast enough, superglue saved lives. A single tube can seal a deep cut in seconds. It creates a waterproof barrier that holds for days. In a grid-down scenario, when hospitals are overwhelmed and medical supplies run dry, this $1.47 item becomes the difference between a manageable wound and a life-threatening infection. But here's what most people miss. Superglue also repairs gear: a torn tent, a cracked water container, a broken buckle on a backpack. One tube, infinite uses. $1.47. 2. Emergency poncho, $1. The emergency rain poncho, $1. This thin sheet of plastic looks like it belongs in a joke shop. The military disagrees. In every soldier's pack, there is some form of poncho. Not because it rains a lot in the desert, but because a poncho is not just rain protection. It is a ground cover. It is a makeshift shelter. It is a water collection device. It is a wind barrier. And in an emergency, it is a stretcher. The $1 poncho at Walmart weighs almost nothing. You can stuff 5 of them into a single cargo pocket. In a collapse scenario, hypothermia kills faster than hunger, faster than dehydration, faster than almost anything else. This $1 piece of plastic is a hypothermia shield. Buy 10. Put them everywhere. Your car, your office, your bug-out bag. At $1 each, there is no excuse. 3. Bee-ice lighter, $1.98. The Bic lighter is an essential survival tool. Military survival instructors will tell you this is the single most important item you can carry. Not a ferro rod, not a magnifying glass, not a bow drill, a Bic lighter. Why? Because it works, every time. In wind, in cold, in rain. A single Bic lighter produces roughly 3,000 flames. That is 3,000 fires, 3,000 chances to boil water, cook food, stay warm, and signal for help. The Special Forces community has a saying, 2 is 1 and 1 is none. It means if you carry 1 lighter, you have 0. Gear fails. Gear gets lost. Gear gets wet. Buy a 5-pack, $2 each, $10 total. That is 15,000 fires in your pocket. Number 4, duct tape, $3.97. The military calls it 100-mile-an-hour tape because it was originally designed to seal ammunition cases in World War II. It had to withstand rain, mud, and transport at 100 miles an hour. Since then, it has been used for everything: splinting broken bones, sealing windows against chemical exposure, repairing vehicles, building shelters, patching boots, making rope, making handcuffs, and even removing warts. A single roll of duct tape from Walmart gives you 60 yards of the most versatile survival material ever invented. Wrap it around a water bottle to save space. Wrap it around a pencil for a compact emergency roll. But never, ever leave home without it. 5. Petroleum jelly, $2.97. Petroleum jelly is the item that separates military-trained preppers from amateurs. Most people see Vaseline and think skincare. A soldier sees fire starter, waterproofing agent, lubricant, and wound protector all in one jar. Take a cotton ball and rub it in petroleum jelly. You now have a fire starter that burns for over 4 minutes at extreme temperatures. It lights in the rain. It lights in the wind. It weighs nothing. The military teaches this on day 1 of survival training. But it does more. Coat your knife blade to prevent rust. Rub it on exposed skin to prevent frostbite. Apply it to a wound to create a moisture barrier that speeds healing. Lubricate a stuck zipper on your gear. 1 jar lasts months. 6. Paracord bracelet, $3.88. The military specification for paracord, called 550 cord, requires it to hold 550 pounds. That is the weight of 3 grown men. This is the same cord used in parachutes. Every soldier carries it. In the field, cordage solves problems that nothing else can. Building a shelter, setting a snare, tying down gear, making a tourniquet, lowering equipment down a cliff, replacing a broken shoelace, which sounds small until your boot falls apart on a 10-mile march. Walmart sells paracord bracelets for under $4. That is 8 to 10 feet of military-grade cordage on your wrist at all times. Unwrap it when you need it. Wear it when you do not. The military has relied on this cord for 80 years for a reason. 7. Headlamp. $4.88. A headlamp. $4.88. Not a flashlight. A headlamp. The difference matters. When the grid goes down, darkness is your biggest enemy, not because of what's in the dark, but because you cannot work in the dark. You cannot cook, filter water, build shelter, treat wounds, or navigate without light. A flashlight occupies 1 hand. A headlamp occupies 0. The military transitioned from flashlights to headlamps decades ago for exactly this reason. Both hands free means both hands working, both hands defending, both hands building. The Walmart headlamp in the camping aisle runs on 3 AAA batteries and lasts over 20 hours. At $4.88, buy 3. 1 for your bag, 1 for your car, 1 for your nightstand. When the lights go out, this is the first thing you reach for. 8. Water purification tablets, $4.97. Water purification tablets are the item that saves more lives in disaster zones than almost any other. They are a lifesaver. Every military unit deployed to the field carries water purification tablets because the #1 killer in any survival situation is not starvation. It is not exposure. It is contaminated water. Dysentery, cholera, giardia. 1 sip of bad water can incapacitate you within hours. A single bottle of purification tablets from Walmart treats up to 25 liters of water. That is almost a week of drinking water for 1 person for $5. The tablets weigh less than a pack of gum and fit in your pocket. The military does not hope for clean water. They guarantee it. These tablets are how. 9. Mini First Aid Kit, $3.47. This will not save you from a gunshot wound, but it will save you from the thing that actually kills most people in a survival situation: infection. A small cut that goes untreated becomes infected within 24 hours. An infected wound without antibiotics becomes sepsis within days. Sepsis is fatal in 40% of cases. The $3 kit at Walmart contains bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and tape. It is not a trauma kit. It is an infection prevention kit. Infection prevention is what keeps you alive long enough to get rescued. The military issues individual first aid kits to every single soldier. Not because every soldier gets shot, but because every soldier gets cuts, scrapes, and blisters, and in the field, those small wounds can kill. 10. Ziploc bags, $2.98. Ziploc bags, $2.98 for a box of 20. The most underrated survival item in existence. The military uses plastic bags for everything: waterproofing electronics, organizing medical supplies, storing food, collecting water, protecting documents, keeping fire starters dry, and separating clean clothes from dirty. In a collapse scenario, waterproof containers become priceless. A Ziploc bag is a waterproof container. It can be a glove when you need to handle something dangerous. It can be a tourniquet when twisted tight enough. It can be a magnifying glass when filled with water and held in sunlight. 20 bags for $3. That is 15 cents per waterproof, multifunctional survival tool. There is nothing in Walmart with a better cost to survival ratio. 11. Notepad and pencil, 97 cents. A notepad and a pencil, 97 cents. This is the item that every single person watching this video will ignore, and it is the one the military considers non-negotiable. When systems collapse, your memory becomes unreliable. Stress, dehydration, sleep deprivation. They destroy your ability to recall information. A pencil and paper fix that. Write down water sources, write down safe routes, write down medical information, write down radio frequencies, write down who you can trust. But there is a deeper reason: communication. When you cannot use a phone, you leave notes. For your family, for your group, for rescue teams. Paper is how humans communicated for thousands of years before electricity. It still works. A pencil works in the rain, it works in the cold, it works when pens freeze. It never runs out of battery. 97 cents. Buy 5. 11 items. Total cost, $32.44. That is less than a tank of gas. Less than a dinner for 2. Less than most people spend on a single impulse buy at Walmart without thinking. The United States military has spent 80 years and billions of dollars figuring out what keeps people alive when everything else fails. These 11 items are the answer, and they are sitting on a shelf at your local Walmart right now. The question is not whether you can afford to buy them. The question is whether you can afford not to. If this video helped you, subscribe. Next week, we are covering something that most preppers get completely wrong, and it could cost them everything.